To again, and is our third strategy for today. Here we're trading the volatility 25 1x touch no touch, and we're trading the touch right here. So we're on the day trader. Once you log into your trading account, go to volatility 25 1x, click on it. Touch no touch, you click on it. Minutes set to 5 minutes. Barrier offset minus 87.89. So once there's a wide margin and this is pushing right up, you click on touch, enter the amount you want to stake. You can see I placed a trade here. You can see the margin from here to here, it went all the way up. So we've won that trade there, won that trade, and going to trade again. So once you see a wide margin and it pushes right up, you click on touch. You can see it's going right up there. It's going right up. You can see if it goes up from here to here, you click on touch. You can see the margin right there. You click on touch there. From here to here, that's a good spot to click on touch. So that's going to be our final trade. Make sure there's a wide margin. It has to push right up before you click on touch, and make sure everything is set correctly. We're going to win that trade regardless. 5 minutes, barrier 87 minus 87.89. Enter the amount you want to stake, then watch this push right up. From here to here is a good margin to click on touch. Let's wait for the outcome of that trade. There's a time count right here. You can sell at market, but we're going to win regardless when it's in green. So you don't have to sell at market when it's green. You're closed already. Like I said, we can sell at market when it's green, but I don't have to because we're going to win the trade. Okay, we close. So right here you can see we won that trade. We won that trade right here. So that's it for today, guys. We dropped 3 strategies across all the channels, so make sure you subscribe to all our channels. For those who haven't purchased our boats, the Toscaper boat is right there. It's 9.99 USD. The 50 power boats 7.99 USD. They both work on Deriv and they trade automatically. So once you check the video description, you will see the links to order these boats. And we're also giving away free ebooks and some free bots as well. When you order any of our bots, you also get a free indicator. You can see the indicator right here is at work and it's in profit already here. And you can use it to trade your volatility index on the MT5 interface. It works on Deriv and other MT5 broker platforms that support MT5. That's a Forex broker platform. You can use it on those platforms. You can use it to trade your volatility, Forex pairs as well. We're still giving it away for free, and the links are right here. There's a link to order the top skipper bot and the pip stripper bot, the links to order them are right here. And to get the indicator, the free indicator for free, make sure you sign up using this link for a trading account. Make sure you sign up using this link right here for a free trading account. Then subscribe to these channels. There's the first channel, there's the second channel, and there's the third channel. Make sure you subscribe to those channels. And there's a link right here to place your order. For those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator for $12. The link to order the pip stripper bot is there, and the link to order the top skipper bot is there. Check the video description on YouTube. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. The links to subscribe to our channels are right here. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.